and welcome to HVAC Private Limited. I am Usman Qureshi and we are a Mumbai-based company specializing in HVAC solutions from air conditioning, ventilation to VRF, VRV system and to a centralized air conditioning system. We provide annual maintenance services and such many more. With projects across India and international assignments, HVAC is committed to quality, workmanship, technical excellence and customer satisfaction. As our motto is built on quality, deliver with precision. For more details, you can visit our website. It's www.ahvac.in or you can contact us.